Good morning. In this video series, we will talk about building the Azure AI agent using the Azure Foundry. Azure AI Foundry is a unified platform which is designed for enterprise AI operations with model building and application development approach. This has been offered as a fully managed service, and this managed service helps us to build, deploy, and scale our AI application efficiently. Where what we can do is that we can create a project, we can choose the model, we can deploy that model, we can manage uh, every um, every customization for that model in the form of tokens, and then we can expose it as a service or deploy it as a web application so that we can use it to our client. In my channel, I have already explained you the Azure AI Foundry. Now, in this, we will be discussing about making a use of the agentic approach with the help of the Azure AI Foundry. So, with the offering from the Azure AI Foundry, we will be able to explore, build, test, deploy our AI models. We'll establish the collaboration with teams, and then, based upon the capabilities of the uh, OpenAI, Azure OpenAI, we can build the complete AI powered application. So now the question is that what is Azure AI Foundry agent? So technically speaking, this is an intelligent microservice that is been provided to answer questions, perform actions, and automate workflows, which use, of course, generative AI models behind the scene. One of the best part over here is that they integrate the real world data sources and tools to enhance their capabilities. That's the benefit. So if you are already having the Azure AI search, or if you have some documents, you can directly upload these documents into the knowledge base which has been offered by the agent, and then these documents will be indexed to uh, make sure that whatever the question that has been asked by the end user, the answer will be given from that document to the end user. That's what is actually going to happen with this. So having the knowledge base is one of the best feature of the agent that we are going to create with the help of Azure AI Foundry. The next thing here is that we can even make a use of the Azure AI search. So Azure AI search is one of the great service because what it offers us is that it offers us to connect to any data sources. It might be Cosmos DB, it might be SQL Server database, or even our documents. We can make them as a data source. So for example, if we are making use of the blob storage, we can configure the blob storage with the Azure AI service, and then we can make it like we can build a data source. And what happens is that the Azure AI search service will index those documents. So if we already have this feature with us, we can take that Azure AI also a knowledge base for this agent which we are creating with the help of the Azure AI Foundry. This provides a seamless integration with the Azure OpenAI assistants, helps us in collaboration with multi-agent complex automation, and yes, it is even easy for the deployment. So naturally, this agentic approach is gonna be more helpful for us, right? It's gonna more helpful for us for uh, building an easy service for our existing application. So as we know that, like the AI agents They are the next generation intelligent applications. And what they basically do, that they basically come up with the um, capability of integrating with the generative AI models. And over here is that, like, they help us in building the smart software service that combines the generative AI models with the contextual data and the ability to automate tasks based upon user inputs, as well as in another environmental factors that they pursue. For an example, let's say that an organization might build an AI agent to help the various of their sales employees or sales representative, those who go outside and do the sales of the product manufactured by the organization. So naturally, they are traveling maybe with their own vehicle or any other type of transport medium. And now what they want to do is that they want to actually claim those expenses. So now, how to automate this task? So we can build an intelligent agent that will be used by, or that agent will be using the generative model combined with uh, the expenses and claim rules or policies which are set by the organization, so that agents will use them, right? Agents will use them, and then what they will do is that they will basically make their claim, right? The end user will use the agent to make the claim. So such type of applications, those can be built, right? That's why they are called as a smart app. So in this video, right, we will be talking about this. So this is the part one of this video, and in the part two, what we will be doing is that we will actually be implementing this. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you.